What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'll be playing Subnautica for the first time. This game looks really interesting and stuff. I've never played this before. Let's check it out. Let's see what this game's about. Never played it before, but it looks really good. I seen Markiplier play it. The second one just released, so maybe if this video does well, I'll do the second one. Let's check it out. What's going on?
Launch in 3, 2, 1.
What happened? It cracked my thing. Oh, crap. Whoa. So, does he not see the fire extinguisher right here? Oh, crap. What, am I still on fire? Oh, I'm chilling. Okay.
You have suffered minor head trauma. This is considered an optimal outcome. This PDA has now rebooted in emergency mode with one directive: to keep you alive on an alien world. Please refer.
Oh, this is cool. So we have an inventory. We have my armor, voice log. Okay, photo manager. This looks cool. Beacon manager. Climb ladder.
The Aurora suffered orbital hull failure.
What do I do?
Unknown. 0.
Tools. Repair tool. Silicone, rubber, cave sulfur, and titanium. How do I get that? So does this take us to the sea? Oh, wait, that's cool. Like in the ocean. Oh, look, it's parts. Metal. Nice. Acid mushroom? Is this stuff good? Can I pick you up? Oh, that's first actually scares me.
Oxygen.
Oh, I have an oxygen limit? This looks beautiful. Hey guys, I'm sorry for interrupting your video, but if you guys please can, go to w.gg and buy something using code ETHAN21. And it could be anything, a shaker cup, a tub. It helps a small creator, so please check it out. ETHAN21 to get 10% off any purchase. Thank you guys, enjoy your video. This game actually looks so sick. So what can I find down here if I go deeper? Oh look, what is that? Creature egg. Quartz. Oh, word. Nice. Titanium. Oh, wait, I need to swim to the surface. I'm losing oxygen. Oh, crap. Wait. I might die. I'm good. Oh, my. Okay, I'm good. Yo, this cave is insane.
I need to actually get a drink though real quick.
What, bro? What, bro? You're insane, Jarvis!
I'll get oxygen first and come down here. Actually, I think I should go back to the ship first. Nice. Okay. What can we make now? First aid kit. Nice. Okay. We have a lot of stuff. Wow. What can we make? You make a battery. Oh, let's go. We made a battery. Nice. That's good. Okay. A scanner. Scanners used to acquire technology, blueprints, living data, and
It is common for those accustomed to synthetic foods to be repulsed.
standard 2.0 tank. Oh, let's go. That's goaded. Yo, making mad stuff.
New blueprint acquired.
Now, to make a flashlight, I can make it now. Nice. That's actually goaded. Oh, oh, it just lit up the whole room. That's sick. Okay. Oh wait, I need to power it up. So I have a standard O2. Oh, it's 75 now. That's goaded. Oh, what is that? What are those? Some alligator looking stuff. It's a floater.
It's floating.
It's a floater.
Wait, it's getting dark. I should return to my ship. Oh, what is that? It's from my flashlight. Metal scraps, nice. What is this? Giant coral tubes. Oh, I should eat something. Can I eat this? Not yet. Okay, I think. Oh my, why did that scare me, bro? I'm not. This is not a horror game, I think. Okay. Now, food. Oh, wait. This isn't food. Yo, honestly, I might wait till daytime. And I know that sounds like scaredy of me, bro. Chat, I am not going down there. So, I guess I'll just snap into daytime. Like, you know, it's a little transition. Alright, there we go. Bro, I'm editing this shit. I actually find it so funny how loud the snap was. I'm gonna show you guys the clip right now. You know, it's a little transition. It is now daytime. Let's go. No shit. I guess I'll head to base. My inventory is full. I think I should use it. Okay. Storage. Gotta put some stuff in there. Like what? I don't know. Okay, wait. How close are we to making the thing? That's not cave sulfur. What did I get? What can I make with it? Make food with that.
Weapons were removed.
Cave sulfur.
Survival blueprints following the massacre on Abraxas Prime. The knife remains the only exception.
What is this? What's a big guy, bro? Can I check him out? Is he friendly? Ew. He makes what is that noise he makes, bro? Okay. He's a gasopod. Should I kill him? I mean, he can't possibly harm me, right? Alright, escape pod. Oh. Wait, I used the bladderfish to make filtered water? That's actually kind of goated. So how can I use the bladderfish? I mean, I got the Oh no, I didn't take the bladderfish. Hold on, let me put some stuff in here, bro. I'll go get that bladderfish. Where'd he go? Where that bladderfish at? Show me your willy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bladderfish.
Fluid intake.
What does that mean?
Alien life forms may have unexpected applications.
Alien life forms.
Is a proven survival strategy.
What do you mean alien life forms? Talking about some alien life forms. Yeah, I'm good. Water. We just made water, guys. Let's go, bro. Now what can we do? Out with the old and in with the new. 135, bro.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Self-scan. One more. Nice. Let's see. Now, how could we make the repair tool? We don't know how to get cave sulfur. You know what? I'll find out how to get cave sulfur. But for now, that's it. Wait, hold on. How do I save? Save. Alright. I don't know how to get cave sulfur. But for now, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching Subnautica Episode 1. If you guys like this video, I'll do an Episode 2. Maybe an Episode 3. But that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was Subnautica Episode 1. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, put bell notifications. It's Ethan. I'm out of here. See y'all later.
They say, lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin', laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running.